Hello, I'm Emma,
And I'm Jared.
and we're going to be presenting our Flavor Fit app today. I'm going to navigate there now. Let's go ahead and present. All right, we are Flavor Fit. Our team name is Flavor Fit, and our group members are Jared, Augustine, and Emma Walker. Are you one of the 33 million Americans with a dietary restriction? Do you feel fatigued, sluggish, or held back by eating heavily processed foods? Or are you just struggling to stick to a healthy diet? Welcome to Flavor Fit, where your diet doesn't hold you back. Flavor Fit presents a comprehensive suite of tools and options for each user to curate a healthy, flavorful diet to fit their specific needs.
So right now I'm just gonna show our app. So when it comes to our app deals with a whole bunch of recipes that tie into all our pages. Right now we have a Explorer page, a recipe detail page, favorites page, grocery list page, and the meal plan page, which all ties in with the recipe. And here features from our first feature is the Explorer page. It's the first page that you see, and it's all our recipes. And in that Explorer page, you're able to set dietary filters to filter the recipes that you see. And those filters can either be gluten-free or nut-free recipes. And if you look at our demo, you see that this is our Explorer page. And if you click the top right icon, you all our dietary filters. Click on one. You'll see that the Explorer page would change to fit those dietary recipes that fulfill that dietary need, and you can click on multiple. Now let's talk about code. This is basically some pseudocode showing you how we filter the dietary preference page. And then if you want to look at our actual code, this is the code that's going to show you how we toggle different diet filters to show on the Explorer page.
And now we're gonna talk about the recipe detail pages. So when you navigate to a recipe through our Explore page, you will see multiple options. You will see options to add a certain ingredient to grocery list. You will be able to see add items to your or add recipes to your favorites, add recipes to your meal plan, and access the instructions and the ingredient list. And here is an example of that. This is what it looks like when we're looking at creamy chicken and mushroom soup. And here are the instructions also. Here's the pseudocode describing the recipe detail page with the favorites button, kind of describing how the favorite toggle works. And here is the actual implementation on the class of the recipe detail page.
Now in our app, you're able to click and add it to a favorites list, and in that favorites list, you'll see all your favorite recipes. Now if you look at our demo, you can see that Explore page, each recipe has a heart next to it, and what you can do, you can click on that heart, you can click on multiple hearts, and if you want to look at the recipe list, I mean the favorites list, you click that heart in the top right corner of the page, and it'll send you to your favorites list, so where you can see all your favorites lists. And when we look at some pseudocode, this is basically the pseudocode for our logic function to show you how we're able to toggle the recipe button to add and remove from the recipe list. And if you look at our actual code, basically it's the actual code to show you how we build the recipe app and how we're able to the and how we're able to add it to the Explore page.
You also have the option as a user to create grocery lists. What you can do in the recipe detail page is add ingredients from the recipe detail page to your grocery list cart. Once it's in there, you can mark the items as purchased or like cross through the list. For example, this is what it looks like when you're in our recipe detail page. Say you're missing some ingredients, you need to go shopping, you can add them to the grocery list by clicking on the shopping cart icon on the right side of the page. And here is your grocery list, what it will look like. And say you've gone shopping already, you've gotten a couple items, you can cross them off and indicate them as purchased. So here's a pseudocode for displaying our grocery list items. We do this with Boolean values and if-else statements. Here is our actual implementation on passing the grocery list as a parameter containing the grocery items.
And in our app, you're able to create a custom meal plan to where if you have a recipe, you're able to add it to a meal plan to where you can put it in different slots, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and you're able to customize those slots for every single day of the week. Now, if you look at our demo, you can see that if you're on a recipe page, you can click that little calendar icon, and you'll get a message at the bottom saying that that meal has been added to your meal plan. And if you go to the meal plan page, you'll see that you're gonna have all your recipes at the top. And if you tap that recipe, you're able to put it in a corresponding slot, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And you could customize it to where you can have different recipes for different slots for different days. And basically, this is some logic when it comes to some pseudocode of how we add the recipe to a specific day, or actual code. So this is some functions that we use to be able to implement the adding the recipe to the specific day and the specific slot.
So we're going to walk you through a short recorded demo, a few minutes. So welcome to our Flavor Fit home. You're able to access the menu with all the pages on it. And here we'll take you through our Explore Recipes page where you can look at all the recipes, the healthy, yummy recipes that we have for you. So here with our menu, you're also able to navigate to any page in the menu or in the app. And so we'll start out with spaghetti. You take a look at the page. Like I said before, this is just kind of showing you the ingredients list, and the instructions. So you can come back up, you can look at it, take a look at all the ingredients, see what you need, see what you're missing, and add them to your grocery list on the right side of the page. So for example, we added 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the grocery list, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic added to the grocery list. And let's see, what else? We already have some spaghetti. We already have oregano, and I know that I have ground beef, but I remember I am missing salt and pepper. So what you can do is you scroll back up or look up at the top of the page. You are able to access your grocery list in that list icon. And say you went shopping and you want to cross these off your list, you can click the checkbox and it'll indicate it as purchased. Again, you're able to access every page of the app from this page, and we can go back, taking a look at spaghetti, and I'm deciding that, I think I really like this one. I'm gonna add this to my meal plan. I'm gonna favorite it too, because I do really like it. So we'll go back to the Explore Recipes page to browse some more. I like creamy chicken and mushroom soup, so I'm gonna favorite that. I'm gonna take a look at some of our other recipes that we have. We have a bunch of different options: gluten-free, nut-free, vegan, vegetarian. I'm gonna favorite the slow roasted salmon, the honey baked spiral ham, and I'm gonna take a look at this autumn salad. I'm gonna add it to my meal plan. I want to add some protein to my diet, so I'm gonna add some chicken breast into my meal plan as well. And take a look throughout, see what else I'm missing, add a sweet treat to my meal plan. Looking through all the healthy options. I'm deciding that, hey, maybe I want to go nut-free today. So I'm going to take a look at that, look at the options that I have available to me. Maybe you want to be gluten-free as well. I'll take a look. And I'm going to add these to my favorites because I like them a lot. And you can navigate to my favorite recipes up at the top right with that little heart icon to view all your favorites. To have quick access, we're going to go back to the Explore Recipes page. And I'm going to check out my meal plan now. So we've got the meal plan, the items that have been added that are in queue, waiting to be assigned up at the top. And we have slots for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for every day of the week. Once you scroll up and click on an icon, it'll prompt you to select a meal slot to add it to. And we're going to add it to breakfast on Monday. I'm going to click on autumn salad. I think I'm going to put that at lunchtime, and grilled chicken for something heavier for Monday and dinner. And this is you're able to access all of these throughout the week, Monday through Sunday. And from here, we'll take you back home. And that concludes our demo.
All right, thank you for taking the time to listen to our app and our show. Hope that you like it.
We'll see you guys soon.